I mean basketball. I mean you know the team. Okay, Slook. Okay, this part 2. The last one was running a bit long. We don't want the last time's incident. Yeah. I love TNT. I love TNT. I love TNT, but you need a lot. I love TNT. TNT. Okay, we put a lot there. Some here. Yeah, lead to like this gigantic area. I mean, of course, Enderman Island is the place we're trying to blow up. Obviously, if I didn't understand that part already, I'm telling you that now. Gonna put some of this here. Gonna put some of this here. Just putting a bunch, you know. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's connection stuff. Oh, man. Yep. Okay. I'll just start it. Yeah, I'll start it here. Another TNT. Go. We gotta make this a bit bigger, you know? Some big stuff. Yeah, I love this Minecraft stuff. You think I can pick up TNT blocks? No, right? I mean, they can teleport, obviously, but can they pick up TNT blocks? Ah, click. And a click after click. Okay, gotta spawn more Enderman. I'm gonna kill lots of Enderman. They can't pick up TNT blocks, right? I think they can. Flint and steel, get you ready. Doom. Boom, what's happening? Oh, this is so cool, man. Nothing blew up. Holy crab. And the man on superior. So much XP. Now you know how to get XP, eh? Whoa. They survived. That is weird. And the man is super cool, man. How did they survive? I'm sure I survived because I'm super awesome. But. Does this hurt Enderman? Does fire hurt Enderman? Oh wait, they can teleport. Forgot that. They couldn't even kill an Enderman. You think they can teleport far distance? I'm not sure. I mean, they might. I'm building another portal. I think I'm doing it wrongly, Otto. I'm just anyhow doing it. I know. I really don't know. Oh, I did it. I did. Will they go in? Will they go in? Will they? I'm going in. What the? Cushion of water, baby. You guys can breathe in water now, and they still can't breathe in water. Check it out. I'm going in. I'm going in. Oh, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Oh my God, Enderman are here too. These Enderman, they came too. This is the Nether. I mean, sure, I expect so much armor, but seriously, I seriously expected much more. I'll just put a lot of TNT over here. A lot of TNT over here. Okay. I am seeing the nether now. Oh, the potter will survive. It's obsidian. I know a little bit about Minecraft. Not too much though. What the? Oh, look at that. What's going on? What the butt? The bottle survived. Told ya, obsidian, my man. That's why obsidian's a good material for houses. Look at this. You gotta light it. I gotta light on fire, babe. No. Portal thing. Okay. Nice. I got some. Oh, I'm never again. It's night over here in Awesome Land and Man Island. I want to give it a cool vibe, you know. Like, ooh la loo, this is a haunted place. Do not to enter. Brr, brr. I survived, but I was lucky. With the skeleton, return to your homelands. Do really a skeleton have a purpose in life? I mean, what the? Oh wait, no, that's what. Freaks. No, slow down. Exit the bow. Row my boat gently down the stream. Maryland, baby. That's where I'm going. I'm going somewhere fabulous. I like to call it the internet. How do I jump? How do I leave the boat? How do I leave the boat? Ah! Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go, the bottle. Gonna have to destroy this bottle once and for all. Oh, I'm evil. Oh. Now, what the bottle's still there, and now it's floating. Oh, no, it's gone. I managed to destroy you. The Potro Manongo. I managed to destroy you. The Potro. Oh, fire don't last forever, apparently. You can last forever now. You've been blessed with the magical potion. This is some big stuff, man. Wonder what the Endermans are thinking. They're like, what the bottle? Oh, but obsidian is so easily destroyed by the human hand. But it's hard to destroy with. Or is it just because I'm using obsidian to break it? He who enters shall not. Who enters shall enters. Shall. It who enters shall not. Shall enters. And what am I doing? It who enters. It who. Oh, there's the next button. Now see. I know what I'm talking about. Enters next shall not next return. Nobody's in this. Nope. Enter shall not return. Cause you return, you die. Is it raining? It's rag. Not good. Gotta find some shell. Oh, wait a second. It's raining. What does that mean? But the fires. You give them something flammable, like trees. Uh-oh. Yes. No, it's putting it out. Blah 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 blah. It's putting the fire out. That's all, guys. Thanks. Remember, 5 likes and just one more. Thanks.